Once again, the beauty of analysis is proven. In the morning analysis, I told you that candle has opened flat and it may achieve higher highs. 84, 86 levels certainly will get achieved, and see precisely it has achieved 86 and now trading with a slight retracement. Likewise, US crude also I have asked you to buy at 77.4 levels, sorry, 77.8 levels here, and see what it has seen is 78.6 and now trying to trade with a drop. So now I hope you all profited throughout the day. Now what to expect with the US session, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. First we'll look into gold, followed with crude oil WTI. Do watch till the end, do listen to it carefully, note down the levels, trade as per the levels, and do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. Let's start. Now see gold on the hourly charts, 4 candles flat top. Precisely a good resistance it has got here at 86 levels. Also it was the day's high. Now only and only if it trades or breaks this, then you can consider this to trade bullish. Now what it is trying to do, you can see this. This is simply trading in this channel here. This is trying to narrow here because the bullishness certainly has narrowed. But if you look at this, if you connect from here, you will find that the highs are well aligned. And if you connect the dots from here, you can see the lows are also well aligned. Now on the downside, as I said, only sell entry is below 1870 levels. If you see it trading below 1870, that is the only point below which you can confirm for a sell, as this is trying to trade in this, and any breakout below 1860 certainly is going to be a bearish indication. Right now it is trading in a consolidation zone. I will wait for it to give a decisive direction. Directional movement here is bullish. Stochastic is in green trying to converge. RSI is looking down and MACD is also trying to converge here. And if you look at 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts, like now see the beauty on the 2-hour charts, flat top there. This is going to be an extreme resistance. It is not willing to break past this certainly, and it is trying to trade with a slight drop. How far it can come on the downside? Yes, we can expect that if it continues to drop, 1870 levels are going to be a very good support. You can try to sell at 1874, 72 levels, but rather let's be safe. Don't get much anxious to take a trade here. Yes, it appears to trade bearish. However, let's be safe than sorry, and only sell entry below 1870 levels you should take. Direction movement moderately bullish. Stochastic was overbought and it is looking downwards. The MACD is in green, trying to converge a bit. RSI trading flat. And if you look at 3-hour charts, similar observation on the 3-hour charts as well. And yes, it has to break past 70, then 65, then 60. If these three are taken, this will crash extremely till towards 1840, 1820 levels. Directional movement moderately bullish. Stochastic at near to overbought levels. The MACD is in green trying to converge here. RSI looking down again. And if you look at 4-hour charts, similar observation on the 4-hour charts as well. Directional movement is bearish trying to converge. Stochastic is near to overbought levels. The MACD is in green. And see, the candles have flattened here. It means that the bullishness may try to diminish a bit. RSI looking down. Now look at the day. On the daily charts, we did see one observation is this, that the 50 period moving average is consistently providing it a support here. And see these 3 candles very well aligned, beautifully aligned rather, I'll say. This is the beauty of the charts here. Now see on the downside, in fact, see the candle has opened flat and you can see consistently increasing body size. That is very clear. And hence, yes, possibility exists that once it drops below 1873 levels, it can stretch the drop a bit. Possibly it can come down till towards 1870 and 1867-65 levels. But this is going to be called as a risky trade till the time it stays above 1860 levels. And hence, if you are taking a sell entry at 1873, you have to stay extremely cautious, as it can bounce back again. And hence, you have to be cautious till 1865 levels there. On the upside, see higher highs are done, and once it breaks past, I drew one thing for you in the morning analysis, that see it has opened flat. Increasing body size means the candle size can in fact take it till towards 1891 levels. So once it breaks past this zone at 1886, you can stay long for 1891-95 levels, and you can make good profits taking those entries. Trade accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Now let's have a look at crude oil WTI. And before we proceed, yes, if you want to learn the art of trading profitably, you should join my mentorship batch. The 19th batch has started this week. The 20th batch is Bookings are open and it is going to start on first week of March. Reserve your seats now itself. Only limited seats are available. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now see, oil has achieved 78.6 levels, and if you draw a parallel here, you can see that higher highs, higher lows, it is trying to trade in this bullish channel. After giving a breakout, it is still trying to trade bullish. Now look at these levels here, 77.2, that is the only level below which I will recommend you to sell. Then you can expect 76.8, and if it draws below 76.8, 76.5 zone, certainly more bearishness can be seen, which might take it for 76.2 and 76 levels. Till the time it trades above the zone at 77.2 levels, 74 to 7.4 levels, you have to be cautious and watchful, as it can reverse again any point of time. At the same time, now you can see, first thing is lower highs are maintained, lower lows are done, which means that with the next candle, if you see it trading above 78.3 levels, yes, you can take a buy entry here, expect 78.6, and beyond that we may see 78.9 levels also. Directional movement is moderately bullish, stochastic looking down. The MACD has crossed over for a sell entry. This is divergent, this is looking down. RSI is also looking down here. And if you look at 2 hour, now look at 2 hour chart first of all. See, certainly it has accelerated here, and now it is trying to trade in this bullish channel. I'll wait for it to break past 77 and 76 level. Once it draws below this, it will show increasing bearish momentum. Hence, you have to remain cautious and alert. Directional movement here is bullish, trying to converge a bit. Stochastic overbought, looking down here. The MACD is in green, trying to converge here. The RSI is also looking down here on the 2 hour charts. Now look at 3 hour chart. See the pattern of movement: rise, retracement, flat bottom, rise, retracement, and possibly next candle, if it continues to trade bullish from here, we can see a very good rise till towards 79 levels also. Now I did share you in the morning, and I am telling you again and again since long now, that for now 79-80 zone, only above 80 crude oil WTI may show the real bullishness. And I also told you that there is a possibility of a retracement, and hence now this retracement certainly appears to be exhausted, but yes, there is a possibility that 79, 79.5 or 80 levels can also get achieved once before it resumes a downward trend. Directional movement is bullish, trying to converge. Stochastic is overbought, and hence we are looking forward to a little drop here. The MACD is bullish, trying to converge here. RSI is overbought, looking down here. And if you look at 4 hour, now look at 4 hour charts, lower highs, lower lows. Wait for it to break past 77.2 levels, below which certainly 76.8, 76.5, very strong support zone at 76.5, and below that 76 is the next milestone, only below which little more bearishness can be expected. Directional movement is bullish, stochastic is overbought, MACD is in green, and see the candle size is flattened here, and that high is done. Probably it may converge from here. RSI is also trying to look downside. Now look at the daily charts. Now see, on the daily charts, higher highs and lower lows. That is an interesting move. It has breached the support levels. I did not expect it to breach below 74, but this time it has given a good break till towards 72.4 levels, which means there is still bearishness, and it is trying to create a channel of its own. Now on the upside, yes, you can stay if you see it trading above 78.3. Now see this. Here is the 20 period moving average, 82.6 level, 78.6 and 79 levels. This is definitely a very strong resistance zone for crude oil, and once it trades past this, certainly we can expect 79.5 and 80 levels, the next stronger resistance there. Hence you can buy today at 78.3, expect 78.6, 78.8, 79, and then till 79.5 and 80, these are the next milestones. At the same time, once you see it dropping below 77.2, sell here. You can expect 76.8, 76.5 levels, and below that further it can show you sharper drop. Direction movement moderately bullish, stochastic looking upwards. It was oversold, trying to look upwards here. The MACD is in red, willing to converge crossover. RSI trading flat. Considering this, for the day I will recommend you to buy at 78.3 levels, but remember, till Even if it reaches 79.5 or 80 levels, do not consider oil as bullish. It can reverse any point of time. I have told several times, I am telling the same again. On the downside, yes, below 77.4 you can expect a drop, but then 77.2 rather I will say you should sell, and then 76.8, 76, and below that further drop might take it till towards 75, 74. And on the downside, sky is open. Possibly if it drops from here, it can give you good break, and hence you should remain cautious on these levels till 76. Possibility of a bounce back is high, and then 74, 75 levels is going to be the next strongest support. Below that we may see a good crash. Take your positions accordingly. Buy at 78.3, sell at 77.2 levels. Do not trade for this $1.1. Trade your stop loss, trail your stop loss, and put your stop loss at your keep shifting your stop loss whenever you see one target is achieved, and then accordingly you can preserve your capital and increase your wealth. Trade accordingly. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Thank you.